This is a way for Black students especially to elevate their voices in the community. This will serve like a creative platform where they can express themselves through art, and also for people to get to know them. Like this will be a way for them to be known wherever they find themselves. I wanted to express more of myself and my identity. I wanted people to get to know who I am and my background. I'm originally from Ghana in West Africa, so I wanted people to see the other aspects of me as well. And art is the way of me to express myself. I wasn't an artist before, but one day I went to the Eccles Library and I noticed that the medical students did like an art exhibition at the library. So I was inspired, and so I decided, well, if medical students can do it, I think dental students can do it too. And when it comes to dentistry, it's not just using science, you have to be artistic as well. You should be able to use your hands. So I thought maybe if I start an art gallery exhibition at the dental school, I will get more participation from the faculty, students, and staff. I came up with that theme, hoping by creating more art, once people come to the exhibit, they will be inspired to dig deep down in them, see if maybe they have an artistic side that they haven't discovered yet, and try new things to see if maybe they'll be able to express themselves through art as well.
I think it's very important to have students kind of be involved in different measures and different avenues, particularly the arts, because it allows them to express themselves really in different kind of climates, and allow them to say, okay, I may be a dentist student, but then I can also produce art and express myself freely and be able to showcase who I am in a bigger picture. I believe last year when I talked to some of the students, they said that they really enjoyed just kind of getting away from the hustle and bustle of schoolwork and being able to express themselves, draw different types of things, put together different pieces, and really just be able to relax because of the hustle bustle of school, especially in a pandemic, especially of different things that are going around the world, allowing them just to express themselves and kind of take a step back. So they really enjoyed it.
A lot of people may not think about this, but if you think about dentistry, there's a lot of science to it, there's a lot of studying to it, there's a lot of knowledge to it, but there's a lot of art to it as well. As dentists, we use our hands all the time, and we use our hands shaping teeth, making them look better. And so there's definitely an artistic side to being a dentist. Students come with a certain level of the spatial orientation and hand skills, and they adapt that to dentistry, but having a background in art really helps a student to do that a little bit better.
The connection between art and dentistry is huge. Even today, we were working on class 4 composite restorations, and we had to contour and we had to imagine the way that a normal tooth would look using composite. So being able to use your hands and to visualize what you want to see your hands do is, I think, a huge way that art and dentistry are interconnected.
It's truly why I chose dentistry, because of the high emphasis of art that it is. In learning about dental anatomy, learning about the tooth structure, even how our jaws align when we close our mouths, it's all truly beautiful. There is so much nuance within teeth, and the further in that you go and looking through your magnification loops, and you just see the beautiful intricacy that is our dentition, and that's truly what dentistry is all about, and combining those two and truly seeing the art behind the science.
We've received a lot of positive responses, especially from the current students that are participating, and every time we have this exhibit, we're seeing more and more participation with that. We're also seeing previous graduates still send in some of their artwork, and you can see that they want to be a part of this community because it does express who they are, and they want to include everybody that they can. And it's just neat to see the participation grow over time.
What has been rewarding is knowing that there are so many undiscovered artists amongst us, the dental students, the faculty, the staff, and their family members. I'm able to see new things every time I do the exhibit. Once the art gallery exhibition is coming up, people contact me and tell me about themselves and why they want to display their art works. So that has been rewarding for me. So yeah, I enjoy getting to know people through that.
I think the exhibit is absolutely amazing. It really covers different areas about African culture and history, both contemporary as of right now, was also previous culture, so going back hundreds of years ago. And it's truly beautiful to see that progression of an entire culture and just truly be immersed in it and truly learn from the roots up and its prevalence in today, and how all Africans and people of all different cultures are such an integral part of our nation and who we are as individuals.
What I hope, one, is to kind of get a lens of kind of Pan-Africanism, really understand the global aspect of just Black folks from across the globe. But then on top of that, being able to showcase, again, that students, even though they may be in one of the, a tight subject or a very heavy load of classwork, that they're able to also showcase that they're more than just a student, but also an artiste.
I'm hoping people will kind of get to know dentists more than just like them being afraid of dentists. They should rather appreciate the other side of dentistry, which is the artistic part. I'm hoping they'll also be able to be challenged to look inside themselves to see if they are also artistic. And then try new things. I want people to be entertained, be inspired, and also try and donate so that we can keep the arts gallery exhibition going. And then in the hopes of raising enough funds to help in the community, especially the low income and underserved people in the community.